How to set up YouTube TV on an LG Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to set up YouTube TV on an LG Smart TV. First, check your LG TV model. YouTube TV is only supported on WebOS 3.0 and up. That's LG TVs from 2016 onward. Now press the home button on your LG remote and open the LG Content Store. Search for YouTube TV, not regular YouTube, and download the app. Once installed, open YouTube TV. It'll show a code on your screen, on your phone or laptop. Go to tv.youtube.com/start. Sign in with your Google account. Enter the code from your TV. After that, your TV will refresh. And boom, you're in. If YouTube TV doesn't show up in the store, it's likely not supported. In that case, plug in a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast with Google TV.